In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter in your Kia Soul. It's located behind your glove box. We are going to take out these 3 screws on the bottom of the glove box. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver or drill. Far distance, we're going to go for this one, and then there's 2 up here. Alright, after you have taken out all of those screws, we're going to yank on the bottom of it. You're going to disconnect this sensor. Now you're going to take that tab down. And inside here is your air filter. And this is why it's important to take these out. Change them, because obviously there is a lot of debris on this. Alright, now that you have taken that one out, you're going to put this one in. Be mindful that the arrow is pointing out just the way you want it to go. I'm going to reinstall our cover. You slide it into that. There's like a little space it slides into. Snap it in. Okay, I'm going to put our glove box back in. First thing you're going to do is get it ready in position. You're going to reconnect your sensor. You're going to line up your arms on either side. And then you're going to line up the holes with the posts that are coming out. And it should push into place. Now we're going to put our screws back in. And starting to put our screws back in. I'm going to do my first 2 in the sides just to help it stay stable. Now I'm going to do 1 in the back with the screwdriver. Next, we'll do these 2 on the top here. Alright, so now we can shut our glove box and put the 3 screws in at the bottom.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.